Hey there, my friends. Coach Corrections here. In this quick video, I'm gonna go over how to make $1,000 a month plus on Facebook Marketplace. Okay, so I know that a lot of people want to make $1,000 plus online, and the issue with making money online is that when people come online, they typically get stuck in business models that are complicated for beginners. They're complicated for beginners. And this, Facebook Marketplace is a great business model if you want to start making money online. You want cash flow and you want consistent cash flow on a daily basis. Okay. The great thing is that with this business model, there's no ads, there's no technical hoopla at all. Okay. Now, let's talk about what Facebook Marketplace is. This is Facebook Marketplace right here. I need to find somewhere to move myself, but Facebook Marketplace is a platform within Facebook. So if you have a Facebook account, you have access to this already, okay? That allows you to list different items and sell them, okay? So essentially, it's like the eBay of Facebook, but much easier, okay? The issue with eBay is that it can be a little bit technical. At times, there's issues with holds. I could go on and on, okay? Fees, all types of things like that. But with Facebook Marketplace, all of that is removed, okay? Now, again, if you have Facebook Marketplace, you have access to this platform. Now, within the when you go into Facebook, right over here, you'll see that you have access to the marketplace. And where it says, what are you listing? You can literally just click this button and begin uploading things to start listing. Okay, and that's how easy it is for you to essentially have a online store where you can sell things for profit, okay, within your local community. Okay, so you can make money where you are. All right, now the secret to making money with Facebook Marketplace is to find products that are extremely cheap and then resell them. Okay, so like here we have an example here. I don't know how my face got all the way up there. Let me move myself. So here we have an example of a rug. Okay, so here we have something that's extremely cheap and then resell it. Now, the great thing is when you are part of a community like ours, we cut out that guesswork of, where do you find the products? We actually have vendors and we have sources where you can actually find products and actually resell them. Okay, so we've taken that guesswork out. So here's how we make it easy for you to actually start profiting with Facebook Marketplace, okay? What we have is a private Facebook community, access to VIP vendors and top selling items. So you don't have to sit there and spend the majority of your time trying to figure out, oh, well, what should I list to be able to make money on Facebook? What products actually sell? What should I do, right? All the testing and all those things are already done. All right. And then training on how to use Facebook effectively and the Facebook Marketplace effectively to create $100 to $200 daily. Most members within our community have been able to take $0 to $50 and flip that into hundreds and even in some cases thousands of dollars from a small investment of $0 to $50 into products. Okay. And then flipping those on the marketplace into hundreds, even thousands of dollars. And they're doing this over and over and over again. Okay, so here's the thing, that old adage that it takes money to make money. When you're able to take $0 to $50 and flip that into hundreds and thousands of dollars, that's amazing. Okay, and you can do this from home. You can do this from your phone. You can do this from a computer, and we show you how to do it. All right, so I want to show you a few success stories so you can see other people winning with this model. We have here Randy. Here this is actually one day, $277.29. And he got a sale that he was able to do on Facebook Marketplace. And then he also, in our team, we actually show you how to pinpoint winning items in Facebook Marketplace and also then resell it on other platforms. So he also resold this on eBay as well and brought in $277.29. All right. Here we have Melinda. Shout out to her. Congratulations. She said this had to be the easiest one I've had so far. I woke up to an anxious buyer asking if I would ship, no hesitation. And here she made $159 in a day. Okay. And then here we have another member, Ryan. made $79, and this is from a Facebook, you can see right here, marketplace. From a Facebook marketplace sale, made $79. So this is what our members in this group are doing. They're creating daily income of anywhere from $100 to $200 a day, even more. There are a few members in there that are even making even more than that by just having access to our sources, listing them, and being able to flip, small little investments, like I said, $0 to $50, and flip it into hundreds and even thousands of dollars. And this is on a daily basis. Okay, so that's really what it's about. If you're looking to create daily cash flow, you're looking for a platform that is simple, you want the training on how to use the platform to become profitable, and that's it. So if that's what you're looking for, what I want you to do, if you're watching this on YouTube, check beneath this video. If you're watching this on Facebook, message me. Okay, let's get you started. Let's get you plugged into our community, and let's get you access to this training so that you can begin using what you already have access to, which is social media, your Facebook, the Facebook marketplace, which you already have access to, and you can get out there and start earning money. And you can use this money to do whatever you want, right? If you use this money to, work on things in your finances, you can use it to finance other parts of your business, scale up other parts of your business, whatever you want, right? That's really what it's about. But the main point is that this platform and having the knowledge of how to use this platform can allow you to create daily cash flow. All right. So we look forward to you being our next success story. All right. So let's get started today, and let's welcome you into our success community. Bye, guys. Subscribe on YouTube. See you in the next video.